Especially their fans, Saya, with their unique blend of vocals, powerful dance moves, and undeniable charisma. Let's welcome Angela, Therese, Sophia, Alexa, and Charlotte, the ultimate P-pop girl group, Kaya!
Kaya is here.
Ayan, grabe. I-check ko lang ha. Nandito ba ang mga Zaya? Eh, paano naman ang mga bullets? Eh, paano naman ang mga magiliw? Nasaan naman ang mga agent? And of course, syempre, hindi magpapahuli. Nasaan ang mga anchors? Grabe, first of all, we would like to thank Watson's Philippines for inviting us here sa Watson's Playlist, the P-Pop Power Concert. Grabe, sobrang saya po ng mga puso namin na makita po magsama-sama lahat ng nasa P-Pop community. So maraming salamat po, Watson's, for this opportunity. Yes, and of course, before anything else, ipapakilala po kami. 5, 6, 7, 8, Kaya is here! Woo! What's up? What's up? Hello everyone, Kaya's here, Angela! Hello everyone, this is Therese! Hey, yo, what's up? It's your girl, Alexa! Hello everyone, I'm Sophia! What's up? I'm Kaya Charlotte! Woo! And once again, we are Kaya! Oh, grabe. Kamusta, girls? Kaya pa ba? Kaya! Siguro pinangalan sa atin Kaya. Kasi kailangan natin kayanin lahat. Tama. So again, thank you so much, Watson's Philippines, for inviting Kaya here. And of course, syempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang aming show because, Sophia, so are you ready for more? Are you ready for more? Parang hindi na kayo ready sa pangalan. Are you ready for more? So feeling ko this one, alam niyo na siguro kung ano yung next namin. So okay, kayo yung mag-represent ng next song namin. Okay? Alright, for our next performance, listen! Woo!